Hello everyone, Aki's here and welcome to my channel. We're going to do guys is we will cook spaghetti and macaroni Filipino style. And first of all, I would like to greet someone has a special day today. Happy birthday Beba. Wish you a very happy birthday. May life lead you to great happiness, success, and hope that all your dreams come true. Good health, long life, more success, and remember, I'm always here for you no matter what. And again, happy birthday. Enjoy your special day. Let's boil water for our macaron. Ayan, getting closer to boil. And let's put the macaron inside of the pot. And guys, waitin lang tayo hanggang kumulo. Till we boiled. Ayan, kumukulo na. Ayan, let's strain it. And guys, let's take a bowl, then put it the macaroni inside of the bowl. Ayan, lagay natin ang ating ingredients. Very slight lang yung ating ingredients guys, kasi hindi ako mahilig sa sobrang tamis. Ayan, lagay natin ang ating cream and condense. It depends on you guys kung marami kayong ilalagay. And then mayonnaise. And let's mix it. Isa rin ito sa favorite ko guys, pero I'm not eating too much sweet, especially macaroni, because some of them are mixing with too many condense, but I just put it half. Some of my friends from other countries, you must try to do it guys, maybe you will love it. Ayan, it's ready, and let's put inside of the fridge in an hour. So this is our macaroni salad. Let's cook spaghetti. Ayan guys, let's put butter. Ayan, hindi ako gumagamit ng cooking oil. Ayan, butter lagi kong ginagamit. At yan ay pang keto. Ayan, unahin natin ang ating garlic. Ayan, antayin natin maging konting golden brown. Then lagay natin ng sibuyas. The same thing. Pag medyo okay na yung sibuyas natin, saka natin ilagay yung ating karne. Ang gamit kong karne guys, hindi siya beef kundi pork mince. Ayan guys, pwede na at ating ilagay ang ating pork mince. And guys, so let it cook for become golden brown a bit. Don't let the pork will be too much dry. Ayan, okay na siya guys. So, let's put our sausage. I just cut it into half guys. So, I think it's better. It's not that big. It depends on you guys. If you really want to put big, slice big, it's still up to you. Ayan, pwede na. So, let's wait till the sausage will be cooked. And let's put our Filipino style spaghetti sauce. Ayan guys, Filipino style spaghetti sauce. And yan, with cheese, with sweet. Ayan guys, nilagay na natin ang ating sauce. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng maliit dahil I'm just only the one who will eat that one. Ayan, let it mix. Ayan, nilagay na natin ang ating condense. It's up also to you guys kung marami kayong ilalagay, but for me, just only half. Para hindi siya masyadong matamis. Ayan, just mix it well and cook a bit. And let's prepare. That is our spaghetti Philippine style. And so yummy. This is for my vlog for today. Thank you guys for watching. See you again for my next vlog.
Magandang dilag, puso ko yung nabi